Just today, I invested almost 1.7 CR. Okay, assume, forget about 1.7 CR. Just I invested. That's all. Khatam. My work got completed. My hands got washed. And then what I did is, I gave this one to the rent. I gave this one to the rent. Now, can you please imagine once? Just this 1.5 CR, every month is going to generate some amount or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Response, right? Is it going to generate some amount or not?
Yes.
Definitely.
Until my lifetime. Because minimum today we constructed apartment means at least 80 years to 100 years life. 80 years to 100 or 50 years life. Assume that 50 years life. Then automatically, do you know, we will get, right? Keep on generating the money, right? Every month it's keep on generating money. Am I required to do anything related to that?
No.
Can you please confirm? Am I required to do anything? Am I
No.
required to work any number of how many hours I require to work to get that money? Nothing.
Not required.
Not required. Money generates money. Remember this one. Money generates money. Okay. How much it's going to generate? Don't worry. If you are a bit intelligent stuff, more money you may generate, or normal, at least some money is going to be generated. With that only, we can build empires. We can create empires. We can create miracles in our life. So your money has to generate money. Okay, sir, I will work, then I will get the money means limited. Your time is limited, your energy is limited. That model is not at all scalable model. Remember that carefully. Okay, just consider my lifetime, just 1.5 crore I invested. My lifetime is going to generate every month some 60,000, 70,000 or 80,000 or 1 lakh. Keep on generating. Money generates money. And this money, this suppose here, after 1 month, some amount we are going to get. For the next month, is this money also going to generate or not?
Yes, yes.
Can you please imagine? Every month compounding is going to be happened or not?
Simple.
Every month compounding is going to be happened or not? This
Yes,
X
yes.
is going to generate Y. Y. Sir, after completing first month, now original X, this generated rent is also next, suppose 60,000. Assume 60,000, 1 rupee interest means, 1 rupee interest means, some 600 rupees is going to generate, right? For the next month, automatically this amount also. Think about, not talking about pure business interest, all these things, just aware. Is the 60,000 is going to generate some amount or not?